Hey everybody, it's Marty from Aspect LED. Today we are going to show you all the features of the 4-zone color tuning remote. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Okay, first make sure you have the wires connected correctly for the product you are going to illuminate. Today we are using our Color Tuning L-Series Dotless strip lights. On this product, the brown wire connects to the V positive terminal. The yellow wire connects to the warm white or red terminal, and the white wire connects to the green or cool white terminal. Once you have all of the wires connected, you can clear out the memory on the receiver by pressing and holding the Learn button for at least 10 seconds. The lights will flash and dim, indicating the memory has been cleared. To pair the remote to the receiver, turn on the remote, and you know the remote is on when you see the red light come on here. Click the Zone 1 button. There are actually 4 zones available to control from this remote. If you would like to connect multiple receivers to this remote, please check out our video on pairing multiple receivers to a remote. So we're going to turn it on, click Zone 1, click the Learning button, and now I'm going to put my finger on the color tuning wheel. When the lights flash like that, you know you've paired the remote to the receiver. You can now color tune the light strip to the desired temperatures between 3000 to 6000 K with this product. You can control the intensity of the lights by holding the brightness button on the middle of the remote. Press and hold to increase, and then press and hold to decrease the brightness. You can also control the brightness by clicking one of the 4 preset buttons. You can go quarter, half, 3/4, and full bright with these buttons. If you find a color temperature and brightness level that you like and you want to recall it in the future, you can simply choose one of the scene buttons to store it in. To store it, you press and hold the button until the lights flash. Now, whatever you do on the remote and to the color, if you want to recall the color temperature you had, just click this button to recall the scene. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.